Are you new to Excel Church? Maybe you've joined us in the last 6 months to a year. Well, we'd love to invite you to come and join us for our Excel lunch that's happening after the morning service on the 16th of November. Come along, our leaders will be there so you can chat to them and ask them any questions you have about what goes on here at Excel Church, and you'll find ways where you can get involved in what God's doing here. So sign up for that, have a look online for the details about it, and mark that in your calendar. This is your last week to get your shoe boxes in for Operation Christmas Child. So you can head to the welcome desk today to get your leaflet and get your shoe box paid for as well. So you can fill one in and bring it next week. At the service next week, we're going to be looking and learning a bit more about Operation Christmas Child and praying for all the boxes to be received well by those in need. And we're also going to be looking at Mission 25. So there's lots happening and you do not want to miss out.
His love forever burns in me. Oh, passion is alive in me, ignited by love.
That's all for Excel News, but don't forget this Wednesday there's no prayer and Bible study, and that's because we've got a really special event happening here at church on Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. and it's a conference hosted by the International Christian Embassy of Jerusalem. So we've got a man called Malcolm Heading coming over here to chat to us about what's going on in Israel, chatting about what God's perspective is on all the conflict, and also how our hearts can align with God's during this time. So you really don't want to miss out on this special evening. Come along, it's starting a little bit earlier at 7 p.m. So come along, you'll hear absolutely loads of stuff and you won't miss out. So come along and we'll see you there. Have a great week.